going to show you how to find a critical T value with the TI. Okay, so I have videos up on how to do the table. I have videos up on Excel. This is now the video for doing it with your TI. So you can see here that we first need to find the DF, just like we do for any other T-score values. So the DF is 1 minus n minus 1, so n is 50, so then the DF here is going to be 49. Okay, now what is the critical T value? Well, we need to look up half of alpha, right? Because we're going to do a 95% confidence interval. So when I draw this here, right, I have, well, if it'll let me draw, it's going to have two ends, right? And some of the area is going to be in each of the ends. Man, it doesn't like me right now. So that means of this 95, we have 5% left over, but it's got to be split. So each of these ends is going to have half of 5%, which is 2.5, so 0.025. So when I put this into my TI, I'm going to actually put in that 0.205. Okay, so the two pieces I need are the half I'm looking for, and then I need the that value. So I'm going to come up here, and I am going to come back to here. So I need the distribution. So this is vars button. I want the dist over here. So I want second vars. And then I want to go down to inverse t. Okay. And then my area is going to be 0.025. So you need to put in half of it. Okay. That's the reason they do that. And then you put in your DF, 49. And then you're going to hit paste. And then enter. And there, you always use the positive version. So what this is really telling you is that negative 0.201 is here, and this is positive 0.201. But you put a CI, remember there's that plus or minus in it, so you don't need to worry about that. There will be a point when we get to later ones where we will care about that sign, but at this moment, we just put in the positive value. And then, talking about what a degree of freedom is, that is the number it can vary after all the restrictions have been imposed, So, in other words, that last one when you're, filling and, you got 10 things in your hand and randomly assigning, well, the last one when it's left in your hand is going whatever slot's open. That's all that's saying. So hopefully this helps you. This gives you the setup and where the buttons are on your TI and how to do it. I think the biggest thing is to remember to use half of your alpha level.